feel bad for Reptile. he turned him into Ice Spice. That's crazy. Okay, quick and to the point. You know how angry you gotta be to crush a mother effer's head and then rip his body apart? These.
Fatality.
Since when was Cyrax blowing up planets? What chapter did I miss? What the hell? Alrighty, boys and girls. As I was watching Sonic Fox bash up some mother effers in MK1, on the recommended, it was some dude ranking each fatality. So I was like, why can't I do that? But instead of ranking them that way, like out of 10, I felt like to put it on a little tier list. So here you see, I just went on tier maker, okay? It's got the characters here. The reason why I have 2 tier lists, because I know each character has, I think, at least 2 fatalities. If it has more, then bad luck. Let's see these mother effers here. I did see this one. I got spoiled for it. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Fatality. General Shao wins.
Classic. I see the second one. I did see the second one too. I'm not gonna lie. This one tough as hell, brother.
Fatality. General Shao
Bro,
wins.
the first fatality, C tier. We're going S, A, B, C, D, E, F. I don't think we're gonna go past D because D's below average, C's average, and so on and so forth. The second one though, the second one is an A for me. The way he slams that mother F and slices him while he's alive, it's crazy. Let's go to the next, Sub-Zero. Okay. Spins that mother F around. This side.
Fatality.
This side.
Sub-Zero wins.
That one's tough.
Fatality.
That one's tough.
Sub-Zero.
You ever grab a freaking ice cube and stick your tongue in and you can't pull that motherfucker? Same shot with the skin. I'm gonna put it C as well, okay? Second one, I'll put it B. I like how the skin stretches out. Pause. Let's go to Scorpion. Straight through that motherfucker. Okay, that's tough.
Fatality.
Tough. It's simple though. I want to see something crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you. Damn. Wait, Scorpion can do clones of himself? He got the skeleton hanging out. That's crazy. Okay, brother. Straight up. First one, C. I'm seeing a pattern here. Second one, the way the skeleton hangs outside of the body, I'm gonna have to put in A. I have to, brother. What's he drinking? He off that lean, bro. Slices his gut out. Melts into acid.
Shang Tsung wins.
He got the lean concoction, brother. That one's nice. I like that one. Same thing. What's up with him and the potions, brother? What is this freaking Alien vs Predator over here?
Fatality.
I'm not gonna lie to you. For creativity, the first effing one, I'ma put both of them in B. That one was better than Sub-Zero. Johnny Cage.
Talk about talent. Meet Hollywood's newest star.
That reminds me of Cassie Cage's one. That one's pretty smart.
Fatality.
That's disgusting.
Johnny Cage.
Look at that. Bro, that one's pretty smart. Put him in the McLaren. The door's gonna, yeah.
Vroom, vroom. And boom.
Fatality. Johnny Cage.
Shout out Sonya. Hey, I don't give an F what anyone says. Where is Johnny Cage? Is this him? That one's an A. The first one is an A. Second one, I'm gonna put in B. The creativity points. I had to deduct a little bit because, bro, it reminded me of Cassie Cage's one when she took the selfie as well. But him slamming the head on the Hollywood print, that one's crazy. I like that one. Yeah. POV shot too?
Fatality.
Nah, I like that one. Shout out freaking, what's his freaking name? The lizard dude. What the hell? It's some otherworldly shot.
Fatality.
He just sucked him into a black hole. I think that's the first time a Mortal Kombat Fatality took it to a universe type level, you feel me? I'ma put both of them A. I don't give an F. Where are you? A, that's above, that's above Johnny. Let's keep it a buck. Both of them A, straight up. Kenshi? Bro, turn him into a freaking kebab, bro.
Fatality.
Turn him into a freaking shawarma thing. Okay, I like that one. So we're making mincemeat over here.
Fatality.
I could have sworn I saw a Kenshi one where he drags the blade from the ground. That one was tough. God, where's Kenshi's dumbass? That one is an A. And then the second one, I have to go B. I have to go B with that. Okay, Raiden. Raiden's my guy. Close him up. Yeah.
Fatality. Raiden.
I feel like you can do a lot more with lightning. You could scorch his body or something. Damn. Some motherfucker went naked to bones.
Fatality. Raiden.
Listen, bro. I'ma be harsh. Raiden, C. Nothing crazy. Okay. That's insane. That one's tough.
Fatality. Kitana wins.
That one's tough. Put him in a meat grinder. Kiss of death? Was it worth it, my guy? Bro, her breath is that hot.
Kitana wins.
Oh my god. I thought Sonya did Kiss of Death. No, not Sonya, that blood chick. I swear she did Kiss of Death. First one, I'ma go B. Second one, I gotta go B as well. Reptile, that's his name. It's Reptile and Reptile crime. Eats that motherfucker. Call him a Komodo dragon. If that. If that.
Fatality.
I like that one though.
Reptile wins.
Shout out Reptile. I actually haven't seen any reptile gameplay.
Fatality.
Okay.
Reptile wins.
But reptile ones are cool, I ain't gonna lie to you. First one though, where are you? Reptile, oh, that's an A for me. Second one, it's either low B or high C. I'ma go high C. Havoc. Who the hell is this guy? Takes your heart out. Oh, we're swapping hearts now?
Fatality.
I've never seen this guy ever. Who's that Andrew Tate behind him? What the hell was that? Did he just break his own leg? Oh, that's tough.
Fatality. Havoc wins.
You know who he reminds me of? What's his name? Kishimaru from One Piece, from Naruto, the bone dude. That's who he reminds me of. First one, where is he? Where is he? First one, boring, C. Nah, actually, I'm gonna put it B because it's more creative. And because I haven't seen this dude before. Second one, oh, I'm gonna give it B too. I'm gonna give it B too. High B, high B. Now then this gotta go down to C, I'm sorry. High B, high B. That one was tough. Who the hell was that guy posed on the side? You got smoke? I feel like I've seen this before. Hasn't Jax done one of these before?
Smoke wins.
I feel like you could suffocate his ass or something with a smoke. Put a grenade in his mouth.
Fatality. Smoke.
Smoke! Get back in the effing lab, bro. What the hell was those lame ass fatalities? Where are you, Smoke? Low key. I'ma put that one in a D. Where's Smoke here? And I'm put the other one in a C. Bro, that shot was lame as hell. Why are you using grenades? I don't know how you fight, but still. What are we, Cyrax or whatever his name is? Nah, I don't agree with that. Rain dude. Oh, it's like he in a washing machine right now. That's tough.
Rain wins.
Nah, that one's cool. That one's cool. What's the second? That's how them chiropractors be, brother.
Fatality.
That one's tough. I'm gonna put the second. Wait. Where is he? Where is he? First one B. Second one A. I don't give an F. That one was cool.
Fatality.
Basic.
Kung Lao win.
Basic. Kung Lao. Show me something. That's exactly what I'm talking about, brother.
Kung Lao win.
That's exactly what I wanted, Kung. What the F? Let's put first one B, second one A. We got Mulaney Weenie over here. Eating straight brain.
Fatality.
Basic.
Melina wins.
Basics. What's the horse dude's name? I remember him. Gyro or something? Damn. 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 You just gonna throw your weapons like that?
Melina
Okay,
wins.
Melina. First one. C. I'm sorry. C. Second one's a B. Second one's a B. We're quick with these ratings, brother. We're quick with it. Nitara? Yeah, if that. Bro, I remember thinking of some cool ass fatalities back in the day.
Taro wins.
Jorgo? What the F is this horse dude's name? I forget. Intestines?
Fatality. Nitaro wins.
Nitara, you're going basic for me, brother. That's a C. Put you there. No, not there. Over there. Thank you. Baraka, that's my guy for real. Bro swears he's Wolverine.
Baraka wins.
Baraka, show me some more flash. You can do more with the blades. Spin around or something. Okay, we're at a barbecue now. Okay, give me a freaking shawarma.
Fatality.
That was tough.
Baraka wins.
I don't know why we became cannibals, but okay. Where are you, Baraka? First one, C, boring. Second one, where are you? It's not an A, but it's B. Not gonna lie to you, I'm not rearranging A, B, C, S, whatever. They're in their places, okay? I can't be bothered doing all that bullshit. What's her name? Sindel, that's her name. Breaks his arm. Strong ass hair.
Who's your queen?
That's them average. That's them average Twitch streamers. Get your dumb ass out of here, Sindel. Yeah, I thought she was gonna scream in his face with the other one. No one's cool.
Fatality.
Why does Moro? That's his name. Moro. I remember his ugly ass. Sindel, where are you? First one C, second one B. I mess with those. Yeah. It seems like all the second fatalities are better than the first. Who the hell are you? She got the kunais. She got the angelic powers.
Ashura wins.
That's her sister on the side. Okay. She swears she Wonder Woman, bro. She swears she Wonder Woman.
Wins.
C. Second one, I'm gonna give a B. Second one, I'm gonna give a B. That one was kind of cool. Plus, I haven't seen these light powers before. Okay, Mr. Timekeeper. Bro, that shot facts though. Have you ever been in a sandstorm?
Iris wins.
Have you ever been in? Get your flexing ass out of here, Jax. Have you ever been in a sandstorm though? Wait, he bashed himself with himself?
Fatality. Iris.
What? He bashed himself with himself and then grabbed a future of him. What? First one, B. Second one, creativity, A. We're going time manipulation. He went in the past and in the future and bashed your own head with your own head. That one's crazy. That one's crazy. I haven't seen no S's yet. Bro, the screaming is crazy. It's crazy. Bro, I'm gonna rate this one high just because of the brutality of it. I feel bad for Reptile. he turned him into Ice Spice. That's crazy.
Fatality.
That's crazy. Reiko tough as hell, brother. Who the hell are you? Where are you on the freaking thing? Oh, is he not here? Oh, he's right here. I'm gonna put both A. I don't give it F. Those ones are brutal, cuz. I feel bad for Reptile. We got Tanya. Got his whole spine out. Call her Sub-Zero.
Tanya
Who the hell is this old man?
Fatality. Tanya wins.
Shattered his teeth. Went through his neck, down his spine. First one I'ma give a C. Second one I'ma give a B. Golly. Lee May, okay. They like taking intestines off. He gonna blow up? Like fireworks, I like that one.
Fatality.
That one's tough.
Lee May.
Who the hell is this lame ass dude with the blick? Get your lame ass out of here, brother. Some shit got like firework power. He explodes. Damn, what the hell is that?
Lee May.
That's like them Chinese dragons. No, I respect it, I respect it. Lee May, both of you are going in B, buddy. Both of you. Who the hell is next? Cameo fatalities? I didn't know that was a thing, brother. I didn't know that was a thing, so I'm just going to say the ratings because I'm not going on another tier list. Okay, that one's literally the classic. That one's the classic one.
Fatality. Scorpion wins.
B. That one's classic. B. Yeah, take his spine out. Classic is... Nah, I have to go both of them A, bro. It's the classics. It's the
Sub-Zero
classics.
wins.
Raiden, I forget his classic one. Cyrax. Man, F rating these.
Fatality.
Since when was Cyrax blowing up planets? What chapter did I miss? What the hell? Let's run that back one time. I see we're going planetary level now. And you hear a faint scream?
Raiden.
Oi, nah. You blew up the whole Earth just for one guy. Call him Kid Boo. Kano, classic. Yella burn through his skull. That's what he burns through his skull.
Go wins.
Kano! My Aussie brother! You let me down!
Fatality.
Yep.
Kung Lao.
And they're in the classic uniforms, I just realized. You know who he remind me of? The freaking...
Fatality. Reiko.
His name's Reiko, not Moro. But you know who he remind me of? He remind me of that trash-ass movie The Rock was in, where he's the freaking scorpion thing. Trash-ass. Old-ass man. Bro, swear he's Neji. You swear you're Neji, brother.
Shang Tsung wins.
Tell me why I don't remember Shang Tsung. What's his name again? Goro, that's Goro. Okay, quick and to the point. You know how angry you gotta be to crush a mother of his head and then rip his body apart? Yeah, who's this? Darius. Who the hell is Darius? I have never seen this guy ever.
Fatality.
Why is bro ripping off his own arm? What the F? This is the devil chick. Serena. I feel like I've seen her. Is she the one with blood powers?
Mitaro wins.
I feel like I've seen her though. Sonya? See, I told you she got the death kiss.
Johnny Cage.
I told you. What the hell? No. Her name's... Yeah, I was about to say Sector. Should've wore his hard hat.
Smoke weed.
Should've wore his hard hat, I'm telling you. Should've wore his caterpillar boots. Frost?
Fatality. Sub-Zero wins.
Frost cold. Okay. Yeah, who's this guy? I've never seen this dude. Striker. Striker with a Y. Get your lame ass out of here.
Wins.
Bro, quit looking at me like that, brother.
Fatality. Gearus wins.
Since when could Jax become Choji's huge ass? What the F? Since when could Jax become that effing huge? I don't remember that. Listen, bro, the Mortal Kombats that I played was the one on the GameCube. I think that's like Mortal Kombat 5 and then X. Those are all the Mortal Kombats I played. Since when could Jax become that effing huge? You know who they need to add? They need to add the fat drunk dude, okay? I forget his name. I think they put him in 11. But bro, Mortal Kombat 1 looks crazy. I'm trying to play a little bit. Liu Kang looked crazy to play with. I'm not gonna lie to you. I can't wait for, what is it? Homelander, Omni-Man, whoever else, Quang Chi, all them mother effers are coming back, okay? I'm trying to see more, brother. But that's it for the video. Peace. We done with this hoe.